place up there, very pristine rainforest. I do mean that. So just a different part of the world. But yeah, finger palms were thought to originate from some forests in the region where you can walk through and see these fan palms on boardwalks and so. They're even bigger. And you're probably looking at a very, very old section of rainforest where the same trees have been there for hundreds of years. Fisher, just perched up. There he goes. Here he comes. Fast. He's at the back of the duck now. They're very fast birds. Kingfishers, until they get very big like the kookaburra, which is the biggest member of the kingfishers, they're quite lethargic. Watch them trying to fly up from the ground into a gate or something. Looks like a bit of evidence they are a big bird. Might need a propeller now, I reckon. Lost steering, which means the front wheels are off the ground. The brakes don't work very well in the water either, surprisingly. Those covers are just about had it. Alright, how's that? That's more comfortable?
Yeah, please.
Might even pop mine down actually, because it is hot. Depends on what we see. So there's different wildlife around the water at different points in the day as well. Because out here it's open, you have to put the covers down, so some species are going to find it a bit too hot. Even animals that love the sun, like our reptiles. Ulysses, there we go. There's your lily cat. There's your Ulysses. There might be a few more. When you see one, you do tend to see more. That's actually the first one I've seen today. This morning was a bit quiet for the Ulysses, so I thought I'd be out soon. I'd love to show you guys a bird wing. Try and find the bird wing first. Freshwater crocodiles I found mostly in freshwater, but they do have a tolerance to salt, just not as much as the saltwater crocodile. The difference is the shape in the snout. When I look straight at the snouts, it does take a bit of time to compare the two to get used to seeing both types, because all this is kind of the same, the same size. But a freshie will have a nice, long, slender snout. One app says it's 50% chance, one says 80% chance. We're just going to go and see how it goes. They're both the same age, 1943. It's this one through here, the last one out of the three today, number 4 I think it is. No, it's number 12. Number 12's back, that was another service, so they might have taken number 4 from us. Number 4 is the 1944 model. All these here are 1943. Almost in consecutive order, but 11, 10 and 12. They're numbered in the order that they got the army ducks in. So duck number 1 was the first army duck that the company had back in the 70s. A rock there at the back. Well, it's heavy rain. This place washes out there, as you can imagine. In fact, within an hour, you'll notice some significant change.